So in this video, we will be making an AI system which will make blog posts, social media posts from other creators, YouTube videos. We will be building it live so you can just copy me. So my main goal is actually to save your time so you are not focusing on the operation side of your business, but rather than focus on the business and create more high value to the market. So if you're focusing more on repetitive tasks which are taking more of your time, then you won't have time to focus on high priority tasks which in turn bring more revenue. So within the next couple of minutes, I'll be sharing my screen to show you exactly how you can use the same system and you can build the same system step by step. There will be three softwares that you will be needed. The main one. So the first one is Zapier that you will have access to. We'll be using a step 1 Zapier, which is not the free version. And then we'll be using an LLM which is called the Claude 3, which is like ChatGPT 4, but in comparison to that, that's like a more robust and more advanced. And for this type of purposes, it's more actively used and it's more effective. So that's the second tool that we'll be using. Then we will be integrating the Gmail tools and also another tool for content scheduling, which is called Buffer. So these are the three main tools that we will be using. So before diving into the video, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and like the videos because I'm going to share a lot of values and free information that other people are charging for. All this system is going to transform each and every aspect of your business and your life. And I'm hoping that you will implement it and you will get some value. If you have any questions, definitely you can ask in the comments. So let's get started. So to kick things off, what we need is Zapier, right? And this system will look like this, right? So you will have a video that will be uploaded to the YouTube channel, and how it will be uploaded, we'll have to look into that. And it should be either your video or someone else's video, right? And in the second step, we will have the Anthropic, which we call the Claude 3, which is the version of the LLM that they have. And then we will generate images from daily, and we'll have to use the Gmail and then the LinkedIn and social media platforms and also the Buffer scheduling, right? So first of all, for the tools, you have to, for the Anthropic actually, we call the Claude or the Anthropic. You go to the Anthropic, right? And there you will have to get the IP of this platform, right? So you come to anthropic.com and then you come here to the developer section, right? And then, so once you come to Anthropic side and click on get started, you access the IP of the Claude here, right? So get IP keys and you will access the IP here, and this will be used in the system, right? Apart from that, will be Buffer, which is actually the social media management and scheduler post, and apart from that, we can do a lot of things with this, right? So first of all, what we need to do is come to the Zapier, right? So if you don't have the premium plan of the Zapier, don't worry, because this is a simple integration and doesn't have much automation, right? So the first is actually you have to connect YouTube to the flow, right? And how you connect it, you actually just start the trigger. There will be an option which we call it start the trigger, right? And you select the YouTube and you add it, right? So now here, if you can see, it's an option that new video channel, in the channel. So either we have like multiple options, right? Either you can select new video. In new video, what happens is that trigger when a new video is uploaded by a specific YouTube channel, right? So in here, I have selected this because I'm using it for my own channel, right? So if I upload a video on my channel, then it triggers and it starts creating all these posting, and then the whole thing starts to fire, right? And then the important thing, like the cool thing, is actually new video by search, right? So if we try in here, the event that we give to this, right? You give event, right? And then you click on continue, and what happens is that you connect your YouTube account in here. It will have an option to connect the account, and then you go to the trigger phase where you can search terms, right? Like for example, if I search agency, right? These are the keywords that I add to the search, and if any video on these keywords is being uploaded to YouTube by anyone, what will happen is that it will select that video and it will automate the process. It will trigger these keywords. Videos on these keywords will be a trigger for the whole system to follow on, right? And then what happens is that you go on and test this Zap, right? So for testing, what you do is that you come to this and then you click on the test, and it will check if the test is successful or not, right? So test is really essential because without this, you won't have any data, right? So if you see, it picks some videos from the YouTube, right? And by this topic, this is actually the topic, and it is the data that goes on with it, right? So you continue with this, and then you come to actually to the Claude. So Claude, we call the Anthropic. It's actually the platform like ChatGPT, right? So in comparison to ChatGPT 4, it's more of a robust and effective. And why I'm saying this is that we have tested on different, we have tested it on different inputs and it was really successful, and it's for the same system that we're using. It's more of highly effective in this also. So in the cloud, the event is actually a main one, right? It just send a message because we're connecting the whole LLM to the input, right? So send a message. So what is the message? We have to define the message actually in the next steps, right? And here we connect the account, right, of the cloud. As I told and as I showed you previously, you come to the cloud website and there you create the account and then you connect it. And in the connection, what you will have to create the IP in here, and then you will give the IP and your account will be connected, right? And in the next step, in the action phase, what happens is that you give a prompt to the cloud, right? So it's like a message that you know send back and forth. And here I have sent a message and told that make a precise and concise LinkedIn post of around 300 to 500 words of this video, right? So this is the title that you get, right? And how you get it, for example, you click here, you will have inputs, right? So you come here into the video, and then the title of the video, you pick this one and then you put it here in the text, right? And then obviously you input to the cloud and it will generate the post, right? So it will generate, and these are all the system inputs that you give, like what to do, what not to do, and then all the other details, right? And you continue. So this is the message, and cloud will generate the response for this, right? And then you test the response if, for example, it is working or not, right? And the next step is actually connect daily, which is the OpenAI GPT for creating images, right? And you can go to the OpenAI website, and there again you can go to the API section and you can get the API to connect your OpenAI account with this. And what will happen is that in the event section you can connect this, and then here you will have to select generate image with daily, right? It has different inputs, but generating an image with daily 3 is actually the main input that we will have to give to it, right? And then you continue, connect GPT account, and then connect the give it the action to it, right? So what is the input? Create an image for this social post, right? And in here I have written this response content, and by this I mean that I've written this response content, and how you can do it is you can, in the message, you can just give the input like this, right? For example, you're writing something and then you have like different inputs come in here, right? So in the second option, then a message and topic, from the previous automation data you get the response content, right? Any content that the cloud has responded to, that will be used in generating an image, right? So any content that was given by the cloud, we have to create image for that, right? So once the image is being created, you come to the Gmail, right? And I have included this step for my own ease because I want all the posts to go through me, right? So I receive an email which is like a send email function in here, and I connect my Gmail account, and then it gives the whole body of the post that it has prepared, and it sends it to me directly, right? And then what we do is that we connect the buffer, right? And I've showed the buffer website. You can come here, you can see the page, it's buffer, and then you can connect the buffer to this automation, right? And in buffer what we do is that we add to queue, right? So for example, you have different posts that you schedule, right? So you have different inputs in here, right? And the main input is actually the queue, right? So in here, when you do it, so we'll have multiple posts in line, and when the right time comes, then your post will be posted on your social media platform, because it is also the scheduler and also do the posting. And again, you can do the same for the Twitter, because these all accounts are being connected to buffer, and this actually automates everything. So this is actually a simplest type of agent actually that's working independent, because you're doing nothing, right? What you're doing is that you have given some keywords to this system, and his automatically is getting the data from the YouTube, and it's creating a post on its own. And cloud is actually also great in the formatting, right? So your post is being formatted for each platform in a different way, right? So it feels natural, and the data that was used by the person, because anyone who is making a video is already doing a lot of research, right? And it's also not something that you will get like a copyright strike or something, because the actual response was generated by cloud, right? It was just summarize the video and make it in a format. So this is actually a more intelligent system that you can use, and obviously you can make it more complex. You can tweak all these things in between, and you can add a lot of other stuff. I made it simple because I also wanted, if for example you're not getting the premium Zapier, then you can use the free version in this system, and this will actually work the best. And in this way, you're completely out of the operations of wasting a lot of time on content and things that are more repetitive and wasting a lot of time. So this was the simplest system that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you get some value from it. Apart from that, if you guys need any advanced system, you can definitely check out the description links, in which I have like my own systems that we build in our own platform in the Systemic, and you can get access to. We have some advanced AI agents that handle complex things like AI agents and DM sitters. You can definitely get one. So subscribe this channel. I'm sharing a lot of video. You will have to love it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.